Sai Ram. Life is like a train journey. But wait, before we board the train, we need to get our ticketing done because we need a berth. It is indeed a great fortune to be able to secure a berth. Otherwise, we will simply get waitlisted or we'll have to try our luck with the next train. So too in life, let us realize that it is indeed a great good fortune to simply secure a human berth.
तू क्या लाया, क्या है तेरा, धन दौलत आँखों का अंधेरा, मन की तृष्णा दूर न जाए, मन की तृष्णा दूर न जाए, लोभ की गठरी भरती जाए, लोभ की गठरी भरती जाए, खाली हाथ सभी को जाना, खाली हाथ सभी को जाना, तू कितना भी धनवान रे, चलता जा इंसान रे, तू चलता जा इंसान, चलता जा इंसान रे, तू चलता जा इंसान.
When we sit in the train and look out of the window, the scenery definitely varies, it differs. But that depends totally on our starting point. Even though we are all traveling towards Prashantinilayam, we encounter different things in our journey. It would be foolish to say that I am traveling towards Prashantinilayam and yet I have to see such horrible, ugly, not so beautiful scenes. In life too, even if we are traveling towards the ultimate destination, God, we may have to go through some difficult places, some not so beautiful places, depending on our karma or starting point. But then, the grandeur and glory of the destination more than makes up for the journey, isn't it?